Why I'm making this video today is my topic, why English is must. As you know, on my screen you can see, you can watch why English is must. And first of all, for jobs and interviews, as you can see here on first, for jobs and for the interviews. Why these things are so much important? These things are important because job is must, and how you can get a job, repetitive job in a good firm, in a good company, if you have good knowledge of English. Because keep in your mind, when you will go for an interview, then definitely they will ask questions in English, not in Hindi or your own native language. So first impression is the last impression. If they will ask, I mean your boss, your future boss, or who is taking interview from yourself, then definitely if you will speak in Hindi or your Punjabi or your Haryanvi or your any in other country's language, then they will not entertain you, and there will be less chance to hire you. So better you will try to speak in English, and first of all learn English before any interview, and it will take some time. It is not just in a day. Okay, second of thing that strengths and your self confidence, it could be much better for yourself if you can learn English. And English is only the way in present world where you can build your self confidence. After that, this world is going to be changed very fastly, and very fastly you will see where you are living now. Don't think that world is according to you, but instead of this you will have to change yourself according to this world. So better to understand, this is the modern world, and modern world needs English. And the next thing, learn new things which are mostly in English. Even you are in websites, in Google, or in any international channels, or also in your own native channels, people are now speaking English, and they are making a lot of channels, a lot of books in English. And English material is more in variety, so you have a lot of options, and where you have a lot of options, there only you can have choice. So better you will go for your English, and a lot of material stuff in on the internet you can find very easily, but the condition is if you know already English language. And the next is, you can face this world with English. Without English, it is not possible. Like same in interview, or suppose an example, you are in a party or in an occasion, then people are mostly speaking in English. It is an example. Suppose you are right now, any party or any occasion, there people are speaking with each other in English, but you are only the person who don't understand English and can't speak English also. There, what you will feel, you can imagine yourself. Maybe it had done before in your life, and maybe it can be happened in your next future. So better to learn now, from today, not from tomorrow, because tomorrow will not come. If you will think that tomorrow will come, then it is your own stupidity. Then tomorrow will come. Tomorrow will never become. Okay? So also it can remove your hesitation. Which one thing? English. English can remove your hesitation also. You can speak with this world, not with Indian, not with Pakistani, not with Bangladeshi, not with Nepalese, not with Thai, not with Japanese, not with German. You can speak with everyone if you know English, because mostly person, they want to speak and understand English, and it is only the way. Which way? Spoken English. You can join spoken English. My channel is free now. You can watch and utilize your time. Okay? And after that you will have a lot of opportunity, as you can see in my last gives you a better opportunity in every aspect in the life. Yes, it is true. When you are going for a party, you are going for a job, you are going to abroad, or even you can go to another city where people don't understand your language. So better if you can speak in English, then definitely you can win. Yes, that's true. Believe me. Really. It's true. I do. Okay. So speaking English allows you to actually what is the word in actual. You can understand. Because if you are living like a frog in your little well, you will not understand the whole ocean. If you want to go to the ocean, then you should be a great person, a big person, not from money, from mind and from your learning. Okay. So after that, what I was saying that job opportunities, your abilities doesn't matter. People from which country you can interact, you can speak, and important to improve yourself. But learning English also improves the quality of your life. What is the quality of life? You are speaking your own language. No one will give you value. But if you will speak English, then definitely everyone will give you value. And you will make your value and the place in the world. Do you understand what I want to say? So, for today's my chapter, it was based on why English is must. Okay. So we will meet in next lecture where we will learn tenses because tenses are the backbone of English. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice time. I don't know in which country do you live, so better I will say bye for now. Catch you later. So because I don't know what's the time you have in your own country. So love all, love for every country, respect for every country, and bye bye. Take care. Bye. Have a nice